Start making money today with CPA marketing URL file lockers by utilizing the simple strategy I'm going to show you right now in the video today. This strategy is going to be a beginner friendly one and also a free one right here. So you can do this right here for completely free and make money online. If you're new to the channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways that could help you go into boosting your income online. And supposing you do like such kind of content, scroll through my channel and check out the videos out there. You could also go on to hitting the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. With that being said, let's dive right into the video. So what we want to just simply utilize today is a simple strategy, and in that strategy the first thing which you need to do is to go on to getting a free PLR that you want to just simply utilize. You can utilize platforms like Google right here. Come on to Google, search for PLRs and you'll be able to see options of some cool PLR platforms that you could just simply go on to join in and getting access to some cool and amazing free PLRs. You can actually gain access to the free PLRdownloads.com, or you could just simply use a PLR.me. You can actually see that this is the free PLRdownloads.com where you could go on to gaining access to PLRs on any of these niches right here, which you can see listed in this section. You can actually come right here to this search section and search for some kind of niches, maybe related to the make money or online niche or make money niche. If you just search for that right now, the page is actually going to go on to loading up and it's going to go on to filtering the offers or the ebooks or PLRs based on that particular search right now. And you can see right here that these are all ebooks or PLRs that are actually related to the make money niche. You can actually select an ebook right now. If you do select that right there, you will actually be taken to a page where you could just simply go into downloading the ebook for absolutely free, and you're going to download that as a zip file. As you can see right now, once you are brought to this page, here's more detailed description of the ebook, the number of pages, the license right there, and you can scroll down to the bottom section. You could also click on download to download the ebook as a zip file on your device. Once that has been downloaded, you want to come onto platforms like Google Drive or the mediafire.com to go on to uploading such ebooks right now and grab a link to the ebook. Supposing you're actually using mediafire.com or the Google Drive, you just need to go on to clicking on upload, click on the plus icon, go on to selecting that particular ebook right now or PLR from your device and actually add that in this section. Now supposing guys, this is actually my ebook right now on actually making money for beginners right here. I can actually click on these three dots right now, click on the copy link. Once I click on copy link, I'm going to head on to a CPA marketing platform like CPAGrip, create an account right there by actually coming onto this field or to this page and provide the basic details on all the fields with the red asterisk signs. Once you do that guys, you can actually then go on to registering for an account after agreeing to the terms of service. Now go on to logging into your account. So guys, take a look at this right now. I'm logged into my account right here, and you want to come onto this page on the CPAGrip by clicking on the monetization tools option. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select URL file locker, get onto this page. You can create a new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service right now and click on continue. Once you do that right now guys, you'll be able to see or come onto this page where you just simply need to paste in that particular link in this particular section. That's the link to that particular ebook. So guys, once you do paste in the link right here, you can actually select the number of offers that will be shown to your audience. Maybe I can increase this to 5 offers. You can give this offer or this campaign a title right now, or the URL file locker a title. The next thing which you need to actually go on to doing right now is to go on to selecting a template. By clicking on template, click on the captcha, and that's actually a very cool one you could go on to utilizing. Now once people do click on this section that says I am not a robot, they will be shown the offers available to them right now, and you can actually then go on to, or they can complete an offer before they can gain access to that particular locked PLR, and you can actually then go on to clicking on save to create that particular URL file locker. Now once you have actually created that, click on get link, copy the link right now and go on to promoting that utilizing a very cool platform right now. And the platform right here is actually called timebox.com. This is an amazing platform right here that you can just simply come onto and promote your CPA offers for free. But guys, I'm going to show you two ways which you can actually do this, which is actually the free method and the paid method. You can actually do see right now, guys, that these are actually the current top ladders earners on this platform. This person actually has about $48 right now, and you can see that he's going to win a prize of $150. This person actually went on to earning about $39 right here and gonna win a prize of $125. You can actually do see, guys, the list keep going on and on right now. Now for you to actually go on to utilizing the first strategy, which is actually the free strategy, you just need to come onto this section that says earn. Click on earn. You'll be able to see, or when the page loads up, you'll be able to see a lot of cool simple offers. You can just simply go on to promoting right now or completing right now, and if you complete such kinds of offers, maybe if you do come right here and come on to tax, you'll be able to see the offers right now. If you do complete such kinds of offers, you actually do get paid some cool commissions right there. As you can see, the page is still loading up right now, and in a matter of some seconds you can actually do see right here the page has loaded up. This offer right here is just for you to go on to visiting this website and engage right there, and you're gonna get paid this amount. You can keep on scrolling through. You can see right now just simple tasks right here for you to go on to doing and earning some cool cash. Now once you earn the cool cash, you're actually going to go on to moving on to the paid platform or the paid strategy, which is to actually list your CPA marketing offer link or this URL file locker link on this section. So to list that, guys, you want to just simply come onto the advertise section. If you do click on advertise and the page loads up, you want to click on create campaign. But you can actually do see right here on the tax section that you will actually be required to go on to having balance of about $5 right now in the advertising wallet, as you can see that right here in this section. Now once you've actually gotten this right now, you can actually then go to promoting your offer appropriately or your URL file locker appropriately. But if you want to just simply learn how to do that, come on to this section, click on clicks, and I'm going to click on create campaign also, and you want to just simply follow this exact same basic procedure, because that's what's going to work on the tax section. You want to give this a very cool title and also a very cool internal campaign title also. You can actually then go on to the description and make sure that in the description is actually quite detailed right there, telling them what and what to do to actually complete that offer. Now once you actually come right here, paste in the link to your URL file locker, and you can actually then go on to excluding countries. But since we're utilizing a URL file locker, target all countries right there, all devices and all traffic sources. Now once you keep on scrolling through, you want to just simply scroll through to the bottom section where you can actually do go on to selecting the bid per click right now. Now if you do go on to inserting the bid per click, that actually means the amount you're going to be paying your viewers or your leads right now to actually complete one of your offer right now, or to actually go on to gaining access to that particular ebook. So what you want to do right now is to put in the amount you want to pay them right there. You can see the minimum amount and the recommended amount which you could go on to utilizing right there. So if you do go insert a very cool amount right now, and you can actually then go on to editing other details like the campaign budget, the hourly spend cap, and other details right here. Once you are done, just simply confirm and that you have actually read and understood the terms of service of this platform before actually submitting this for approval, and you can actually start gaining access to a lot of cool and amazing leads to your CPA offers. So this is a very simple strategy, guys, that you can just simply leverage right now, and I assure you guys the results are not going to come immediately. You just actually need to be patient, and you'll soon be getting the reward right now of this particular strategy. And guys, that's it for now. Do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.